Today, I will show you every emergency light, exit sign, and fire alarm equipment I own. Let's get started with the newest one in my collection. I forgot about weather radio, but here is a Danlux emergency light. This actually has a battery indicator. It's green when it's in trickle, and when it's in high charge, it will turn bright red. Let's give it a test. It's decently bright. There it is. Makes a loud transformer noise. Let's see. Oh, okay. There we go. Let's go to my 2 exit sign combos I got for Christmas. Here they are. Let's test the black one. Let's test the white one. These are both my exit signs I got for Christmas. And they're really cool. Got 2 different colors of it. Let's go on to my next one. Right here is my EXRG I had for a while. Almost had it for 1 year. Here it is. Let's give it a test. It's just basic X sign. And it's changeable to red to green. That is really cool. Let's go on to my next equipment. Right here is a Lithonia Lighting EU2L. And it has a simple diagnostics. If the battery's unplugged, it will turn red, but if it's green, it means perfectly fine. Let's give it a test. It's really cool. It's really bright too. And it lasts a really long time, but it does get dim. Right here is my LHQM incandescent. I do have a faulty test button though. And here's my weather radio. Alright, let's give this a test though. Oh, come on. There. Turn it off on me. Oh, this is really cool. Or I can just test it with this right here. There. Let's go on to my next unit. Right here is my LQM, which is only AC only. Just a basic sign, it's just an LQM. It's pointing to the right to the exit. When it unplugs, you know, turns off. Just basic exit sign. Right here is my generic emergency light. Let's give it a test. It's just a basic emergency light, which is my second brightest unit in my whole collection. It's really bright. And my school has these too, which is pretty cool. Right here is my ELM2L. And it has simple diagnostics, just like my other Lithonia units. Solid means charging. Solid red means battery disconnected. Let's give it a test. What's cool about this unit, it has a lot of light spread. So if you're like over here, you get the light. Look at my wall over here. Lights up. It's decently bright. I like this unit. Right here's my Astrolight emergency light. It's old. Got the ready light right there. Let's move on to the next unit. Right here's my light alarms. I never even got to show it before, but here it is. Hold on. I'm gonna go plug it in and show the test button. Right here it's kind of broken, as you can see. But when you press the test button, hold on, see? It's just very weird. On to the next unit. Right here's my light wing. Currently is broken, so cannot show this, but this is just my light wing. If you look at my older videos, you can see it working. Right here's a newer version of my LQM over there. I was using the battery for the other incandescent units, but right here is the new version. All LED. The test button is clunky, but the battery is shot, so I can't really use it. Right here is my share light. Too much work to set this up because it's a ceiling mount version, and it's kind of broken right now. It arrived broken. My last unit is Lithonia EU2C with simple diagnostics and a self-diagnostics EV8C Walmart grade. That's all my emergency lights and exit signs with school and fire alarms. I forgot to mention about this weather radio too. Emerson Smart Set Radio. Right here is my fire alarm booster power supply panel. Pretty sure it is by EST. Got the key, Cat 45. Really cool panel. Right here I got 2 true alerts, 1 horn, 1 strobe, a Gentex Commander 3, a rare like chime strobe, BG10, and a T-bar. Right here is a fire sprinkler. And right here are 2 bells. Simplex bell, Edwards bell. That's all I have. And goodbye. Happy 2026.